Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's a new video. Marketers 15 largest marketing company in the world. Everyone thinks is large market company in the world, and I am sure you can factor again like PPD have a guys, but what be suspension a few tools use again don't track to top 10 dollar space of callback exchange becomes closed down and confirmation over the last 10 years will hog again network and holding companies value this ban confidence is atom wheelhouse against all content blue line between what is constant agency with board sought to help global marketing, advertising, and digital investors to bring some clarity to global agency marketplace agency spotted what his target 515 large marketplace again according to estimate yearly revenues that's list response there's five biggest agents and not agency network group like web WWP Publish Group Designation and Omni Groups looking and find your next marketing partner key made that's the most helpful agency many not biggest or most weak now earns your biggest care effort. Thankfully agents supported allow your last market companies the word large market companies covering large market companies covering 14 13 top market agency and designation firms top advertising agency top digital top marketing free marks family owner brand experience agency boasted over 7,000 employees with 90 plus location worldwide deals in basic agency provide full service marketing and designing service target what landing brand target every premises word like Google BMW closes and many more 49 bros and market sellers New York new revenue 466 million dollars etc purpose masters in global publisher relationship and past young of groups which subleasure WWP estimate enter New York, London, San Francisco loss against Boston and Phoenix and operating 101 constant pre-masked head word which for the most reserve and more checkout version 48 kmh New York revenue $417 million it is AEST rate more than 19 years successful ones of the large most graphic Google and RP on the companies the years awarded with part in Omni groups and operating more than 70 constant access 6 confidence 47 XJDK Trick Japan revenues 400 $73 million. 14 is 737 sachets in London's factor cost coding benefit defined 2014 for draft Wordway and FVC goal for international changing consumer benefit of your client. 35 RAPP New York new revenues yet web Chinese engineering RP company and unit distribution can relationship what ways agents how to and grow up RP $33 and digital BI Boston largest market companies 2113 Streetcom Chiliars and Xmet South Korea allege what way more than size building issues documents reviews the agent's post 53 hours constitutes wonderful and digital agency that's currency divide data inspired numbers WPP vendors was named later and market distribution option and customer engagement strategy for Microsoft Philippa and partner Nestle more than Leo Petra is most recognition largest marketing companies create a 1997 Mystic One Best Media Experience and constant one of once after years. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update.